Dying to sell to a retail store? Ace that retail deal. Tips for food brand entrepreneurs. Got a minute? Here are some quick-fire tips to get your food brand on the retail shelves. 1. Know your audience. Half the battle is knowing who your customer is, their needs and shopping habits to make your pitch highly relevant. 2. Strong brand story. Retail buyers love a good story. Have a well-brand narrative that sets you apart and resonates with your target audience. 3. Pricing strategy. Be prepared to negotiate your price. Make sure it's competitive, but don't forget your worth. 4. Build relationships. Retail buyers aren't just looking for a product, they're looking for a partnership. Show your commitment to long-term growth and mutual success. 5. Sample it. Let your product speak for itself. Give samples, and let your delicious product do the talking. Remember, persistence is key and rejection isn't the end. Keep your spirits up and keep knocking on those doors. You've got this. Follow me for more tips.